Hey, Hands in the Dirt. Thank you very much for the feedback and thanks for the follow. It has been reciprocated. The fig that we're talking about here is a fiddle leaf fig. The species name is Ficus lyrata. The common fig that people generally get the fruits off of is Ficus carica. From what I understand, these do produce figs when they're in their native territory, and it's apparently they've got to be getting the perfect amount of sun and moisture and all that, and they're most commonly used as a very popular houseplant. The last couple of years they've become very popular around here. You can get them at just about any of the big box hardware stores. You can see the big one in the back over there. They're more tropical than regular fig trees. Fig trees are generally, I guess, they can handle a colder climate, not extremely cold. It's got to be around like, I guess what would be described as like Mediterranean climate as far as how cold it gets. It definitely freezes, but it doesn't go crazy low. These guys apparently are no good outside if it's going to drop below 50 degrees. That's what I've read. We haven't actually left ours outside that cold. We've got our greenhouse back here that we had them in over winter, and they did pretty good. Temperatures are starting to get a little bit cooler at night now, so we'll be moving them back in here soon, I figure. But I try to keep it at about 50 as my minimum temperature in the wintertime here. So they're able to last, they're able to do good, but I don't think I'll ever get fruit off them. And from what I've heard, the fruit that they do put out doesn't have a lot of flavor, if any at all. So, yep, that's about that. But thank you for the comment, and thank you again for the follow. And yeah, looking forward to checking out some of the stuff you got going on. Thanks again.